So hello Team 6, this is class number 51 and this class is going to be divided into three activities. One per use of passive voice or per structure of passive voice. So in activity number 1, you're going to work on this keyword transformation with the basic formula of passive voice. That is to say, in which the object becomes the new subject and the verb to be has to mark the tense of the sentence, which is the same tense as in the original one. Remember that you don't need to change that tense, and it has to be shown by the verb be. And then the past participle of the main verb from the original sentence. So basically the formula be as past participle. Okay, so this is a typical keyword transformation. I give you a word to use compulsory in the new sentence, and remember that you cannot change that word. You cannot change that word. That is activity number 1. In activity number 2, we're going to revise have something done, in which I ask another person to do an activity for me. And sometimes this activity is a misfortune, it's una desgracia, okay? It's not something that I was looking for or looking forward to happening to me, but it happened, okay? So you're going to use the structure. Person or client who receives the action. Have is going to show the tense, it's the one that marks the tense. The object that is involved in the action, and the past participle. So you have to complete the formula of have something done. For example, yesterday I had my hair cut. Remember that example. Or I am having my car repaired. So I am the client, the person who receives. The verb have shows if the action happened yesterday or it's happening at the moment, it's in progress, and then the object, the hair, the car, what is involved, and then the past participle, the action that is done, cut, repaired, always in the third column. And in activity number 3, you're going to use the personal passive. That is to say, when I want to be objective with an idea, I want to omit that people say, people believe, people think. Okay, so I'm interested in the message itself. I'm interested in what is said, not who said that. Okay, and remember that there are two structures. The first one starts with it. It is believed, it is said, it has been thought. El be va siempre mostrar el tiempo. Remember that. Past participle of the reporting verb. Think, say, believe, expect. In the third column, okay? Past participle. And then that and the message, okay? So this is the easiest one. Sorry, the easiest one. It is said that, it is believed that, it has been thought that, and then the message. In the other one, remember that the most important thing is to spot the topic you're talking about. Tengo que identificar dentro de ese message de qué estoy hablando. And it's going to appear in the first place, in first position. And then the same formula is believed, is thought, are expected, was expected. El verbo to be is going to show the tense and then the reporting verb in past participle. And then I need the to infinitive. But that infinitive is going to change or take the form of the verb I have inside the message. If the verb I have inside the message is in present or even future, which I'm going to include, is going to be the basic one, to infinitive. To go, to be, to play, to win. And now, if that verb in the message is in the past, any form of past, I'm going to use have and the past participle of that verb. Now, if the verb in the message is in the continuous form, I need to be as ing. So, people, let's do examples here. People believe that too much violence on TV is harmful. So here, people believe is omitted. And I turn this into it is believed because I use the verb believe, the reporting verb, in passive. It is believed. And then what we only need to do is copy the message that too much violence on TV is harmful because this first part has already been turned into passive. Let's see. For centuries, people have believed that travel to the stars is impossible. The topic of the message is travel to the stars. So I put it here, travel to the stars. As here I have present perfect, I put the reporting verb in present perfect, has been believed. And then I know that I need a to infinitive. But which tense is this? Present. As it is present, uso el básico. To be impossible. Okay? Let's take another one in the past. Okay, here. Let's see number 5. In the past, people thought the sun revolved around the earth. In the past, the sun was. Why was? Because the reporting verb is in the past. So was thought, and here it says revolved, past. And I know that when it is past, I need this formula. So was thought to have, and the verb is revolved around the earth. So please look at the formula, pay attention to them, and use them to paraphrase these ideas. Okay, people, if you have any question, remember that you can write to us. See you.